short story po, kinanta ko po siya sa Tawag na Tanghalan. And I remember that moment. Every time po na matatapos akong kumanta sa Tawag na Tanghalan, my mom, lagi siyang standing ovation. Siya lang yung nag-standing ovation. So I really miss her. I love you too. Thank you so much.
Come on! Yeah! Woo!
Thank you so much for doing this. But you don't have to. Kayo talaga. Anyway, alam nyo, a lot of you were asking, kailan po kami magre-release ng original songs namin?
Bukas na po.
Hindi.
Ay. Kanang ba?
Actually, we did.
Okay.
Naglabas tayo
Tapos
to
na
the
pala.
man. We did po back in 2021. We have an album po. So, if you don't know, meron po kami sa Spotify. I-type nyo lang po Gigi Dalana. Lalabas na po doon featuring Gigi Vibes.
Meron pala. Meron.
Narinig ko ng pusong bato. Anyway, a week ago po, we released another single titled Misteryoso. So, sa tour po na ito, first time po namin kinanta ito. And available na po siya sa Spotify and sa YouTube. Just type na lang po, Misteryoso. Ang spelling po niya, Misteryoso. Misteryoso. Anyway, this song is composed po by our very own Romeo Marquez. Palakpakan naman po natin. And Oyus! So, here we go. Alam niyo po ba, bago po namin siya i-released, we decided po na kayo po yung unang makakarinig ng live. So, here we go.
New Oreo Budget Pack.